सरकारान रेशन कार्डा विशीं जो कितें निर्णय घेतला ताका आपूण पुराय तरेन सहमत आसा, पूण गरिबी रेशेवयल्या लोकांचोय सरकारान विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्लो, अशें हळडोणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा म्हणटा. गरिबी रेशेवयल्या लोकां खातीर लेगीत रेशन कार्डां आसात जी लोक वळखपत्र म्हणून वापरतात. देखून सरकार दीर्घ काळांतल्या परिणामांचो विचार करिनासतना निर्णय घेता हेंवूय तितलेंच खरें, अशें कार्लोसान ह्या वेळार म्हणलें.
I'll tell you one thing, a ration card is actually for the people who need the ration. So it is this thing where the government is giving the subsidy and giving them ration at a cheaper rate. So if I don't belong to that below poverty line, then I'm not entitled to it. I agree with that stand of the government on that. But ration card is also there for APL, above poverty line ration card asa. Now that ration card serves as a purpose for our identification, serves as a purpose for family members कोण आसा ते benefit घेवपाक, serves as a proof of address आणि सगळे डॉक्युमेंटा प्रमाणे ते ऑप्शन आसा रेशन कार्ड घालपाक. So I think the government is taking a decision without even thinking of the long term effect, because you can say that you are not entitled to ABCD benefits of the ration card, but I may be entitled to other benefits. Unless you are saying that I am not entitled to any benefit, therefore no ration card, that is different. But if you are saying that above poverty line mon asa, if there is a kind of a ration card above poverty line, then you should just renew these cards as above poverty line and give the benefit to the people.